Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen my face before, hello, my name is Shelby, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, for those who have seen my past videos, if you can't tell, I am in a new space, a new room, and it's not that I've moved and I'm in a new place, but I can now film in any room I choose to with my new ring light. But yeah, I'm pretty much going to be doing a review over the ring light that I got to kind of show you guys what I think about it and what I don't like about it, which is I don't think anything I don't like about it. It's so different than what I've been doing with my videos and trying to get the perfect lighting with the sun being up, and I can't film at night because the lighting's not good then. But yeah, so if you just want to jump into this review with me, then just keep watching. So this is the big box that my package came in. This is the actual ring light box. I hope you guys can see that. And then this is the actual bag that the ring light came in. The inside of the bag just looks like this, and it has the protection inside so the ring light doesn't get damaged if I decide to take it somewhere or travel somewhere with it. I guess I can show you the difference with and without the ring light. So let's get a little close and personal here. So this is with the ring light off, and this is just bedroom lighting right now with a little 2-bulb lamp that's up there right now. And this is when you first turn on the ring light, with the first notch. Boom. Already a little bit of light's being brought back to me. More light, yeah. Okay, so I'd say about there is where I would film at, especially if I'm this close, because I don't want to hurt my eyes or anything. There is a little bit a white protection cover over it, which I will show you in a minute. So I'm going to turn it way up so you guys can see what it looks like on the highest setting, but I'm actually going to close my eyes because it hurts my eyes. Oh my god, it's still going. Okay, there we go. That is the highest light on here. And we're gonna bring it back down. Oh, it's still bright for me. Okay, there we go. And back off. So that was with the white cover on it. So now you guys are seeing me with the individual little bulbs right now, and I will show what the ring light looks like here in a minute. But this is just a little white, hit myself in the face. I'm not blind yet. So that's what these look like, just little rings, and I'll show you how I pop them on and off, and it's super, super easy. So now I'm gonna pop on these bad boys. These are just, I think they're more just more of a yellowish orangey tone. That's how it looks for me. I really don't care for these. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, so, but yeah, I'll show you what it looks like with these on. And now this is with the little orange filters on. I'm gonna slowly get brighter, and I'll close my eyes when it gets too dark. I mean, it's too dark. It gets too bright. Trying to close the eyes now. And yeah, that is its brightest right now. I'm literally seeing a ring with my eyes closed. And we're gonna bring it back down. And off. So now I guess I'll show you what it looks like with the filters on them and without the filters on them. So this is what it looks like off with the orange filter on it, and this is on. And then I'm just going to turn it up right here, as bright as it'll go. Yep, that's what she looks like. Turn her back down. And I guess I can show me popping off these two. It's super easy. Literally just, they pop off. They do snap, here, I'll show you with the white. Well, this is what it looks like without any white or the orange filter on it. And I guess, ooh, okay, we're gonna turn it off, turn it back on, and go as high as it would go once again. hiding behind the camera because it's so bright right now. It's actually hurting my head. But yeah, that's what that looks like. And then this is me popping on the white filters. It's kind of hard with one hand, to be honest. I need two. There we go. We're just gonna put on the top one as well. And yeah, that's with the white filter on. I don't know if I turned it all the way up and down for you. No, I haven't. Okay. So there it is off. And now on. And then we're gonna get bright again. And yeah, that is a bright ring light. You guys probably cannot tell how bright it is to me, but yeah. And then, woo! Right here is where my camera sits, my phone sits to film. And then here is just where you turn off and on the light. It just turns like that and it gets brighter and darker. But yeah, that was pretty much it for my little ring light review, and I love it. I'm just really excited to be sharing my journey on YouTube and watching my channel build, and hoping that you guys will stay a part of my channel whenever you watch my videos and actually enjoy them, just seeing how I grow and how I build my channel. I will leave a link in the description below where I got my ring light off of Amazon. I only paid $129 or $125, I believe, for it, and it came with the stand, the little holder for my phone so I can film, and it came with the filters as well. And the cord for it, like to plug into a wall, is actually pretty long, which I was kind of shocked of because I've seen people get their ring lights and their cords not being long enough. But literally, like, this is the cord. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's going all the way back there to my wall, and there's still like quite a bit of cord in front of me. So yeah, that's pretty nice to have. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe below. And yeah, with that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day every day. Be cool, guys.